We do everything using Sage Enterprise Management. We're introducing CRM and production planning. I think the ability to tailor it and to get the level of detail that we can get into the system.
The best thing for us about Sage Enterprise Management is that flexibility that allows us to be comfortable that customization can be done on the fly by our internal users, not constantly having to go back to external professionals. And that allows us to be comfortable that we can change with our marketplace as it evolves.
So the best thing about Sage Enterprise Management for us is the ability to adapt to change within our business.
Sage Enterprise Management for our company runs everything, from finance, from manufacturing, distribution, warehousing, logistics, everything really. We touch all parts of the system. The best thing about Sage Enterprise Management for us is the fact that we only need to use one system. We don't need 15 different systems to run a business. It's just one, which is great.